Tagged photo on Instagram, guys. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to hide tag photo on Instagram. You can also unhide. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I am on my Android phone. So let me open first Instagram application. So this is my demo account, guys. And if you have one tagged photo and you can see this is you can, if you can see the tag photo, so you can directly open the post and just click on the three line. Okay, and here you have to click on tag option, and from here you can remove you from post, or you can hide this tag for from your profile. Okay, so just select anything and you will hide or remove it. So if you have many posts or photos, tag photos, and you want to see it and want to hide or remove it, so you need to go in setting. So go to click on profile photo and just click on three line option, go to the setting, and now you have to click the privacy. So guys, before we go ahead, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here the another option, you have to click on post. In post you will see option tagged option here, and manual upload tags, just click on it, and here you will see all your tag post. Okay, so I have only one post, so you have to click on edit. Now click on edit, then select the post. So I just select the post. Now you can remove or hide. Okay, so you have, if you have multiple posts, you have to select all or remove or hide. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.